In this video, I'm going to show you how to fade out in Serato Studio. So this is actually super simple. First, let me play this for you without a fade out, so it sounds like this. It's just something super simple. And then to fade out, you want to go to the top right and click on this robot icon, which is called automation. Click on that, and then you want to click on this button over here, which is the bar view, when you have volume selected. So go and hit the bar view, and then from here you simply want to do something like this. You want to click on any of these and then just kind of drag while holding the left mouse button like this, and of course you can correct that as well, and that way you kind of are creating a fade out. Okay, so as you can see, this is now a fade out. If I play it for you again, you can hear it's actually fading out. Now this may be a bit too much. You could just go ahead and adjust it by clicking anywhere you want and just kind of dragging, and where your mouse goes, that's where your fade is going to go as well, okay? And that's where the volume is going to move. So if I play it now, there we go, that's a bit better. And if you want to reset it, hit the reset button over here, and that's really all you have to know. You can then just go ahead and do your own fade out just like this. Super simple and quick. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.